Well, I hadn't worked on a big bell for quite some time. I just felt like working on one. So here it is. It's a pretty good size. You can see by it. So first steps, welded the branch on. You can see that in an earlier post, and then welded the leaves on, and then I just finished brazing. Leaves are in brass, and then we got the band here that's done in copper. And then a lot of wire brushing, and that's what it looks like. So it definitely needs a top. There's the phone ringing, and it needs a stand. This big definitely needs a stand. So thanks for checking it out. Well, large bell that I posted a couple early pictures of. Here it is all finished. Brass, copper, pretty much 100% old pieces used to make it. And give it a whack.